And already we haven't seen the official figures. The budget will be handed down at 7:30 tonight. But it does look like unemployment forecasts will go up. You know, we're at record lows at the moment. It's under 4%. We are expecting the unemployment forecasts to reach about 4.5%. As I say, we'll know those figures in a couple of hours' time.
That's the whole objective of economic policy at the moment, which the government is allowing the Reserve Bank to take the lead on. And the reason we've got cash rates at 3.8% when they were at 0.5% a year and a half ago is to push people out of work. It's to increase unemployment. That's the objective, because that'll reduce demand and reduce inflation.
So overall, do you think we have a situation, and as I say, we haven't seen the complete budget picture, but we know there's going to be a surplus. We know there's a brief surplus just for 1 year, a $14 billion cost of living package. Do you think overall we can already say that monetary and fiscal policy isn't working in tandem?
They're not working in tandem. They're not working in the same direction, because if they were, this government would be cutting spending instead of increasing it. But I think Jim Chalmers will make the point, and you acknowledged it before, that it could have been a lot worse. And he's had a lot of new Labor ministers come to him and ask him to start spending a lot. And he has, in part, resisted that. So they are at odds with each other, but I guess it's a new government and they want to make some people happy.
Look, we're going to get an updated number, of course, in tonight's budget on the total cost of the Stage 3 tax cuts. But I think they pose quite an interesting dilemma. On the one hand, is this the right time for Stage 3 tax cuts when inflation is at 7% and it'll still be high when they come in? But on the other hand, bracket creep is such a problem and the Stage 3 tax cuts do adjust the threshold. So what's your view on this?
Well, Stage 3 tax cuts affect people earning up from $120,000 to $200,000
But it also helps people from $45,000 a year up as well.
It does, it does. The focus has been on those higher income earners. The thing is, these are the people who drive the country. These are the people who create the wealth. These are the only people who haven't been able to get a tax break. These are the people who are paying more taxes year after year as inflation drives them up. So in our society, do we want to encourage innovation? Do we want to tell high achieving, driven people that it's okay to go out and make a living, to make a good living? Because if we don't believe that, then we should cancel these Stage 3 tax cuts. But if we want to be in an innovative, wealthy, rich economy, we should allow successful people to earn more of what they, to receive more of what they earn. Yeah.